I'm absolutely thrilled you're here with us. Today, we're zeroing in on a couple of absolute essentials, mastering weather vocabulary and running through our handy temperature guide. By the time we wrap up here, you're going to be able to confidently step outside, look up at the sky, and describe exactly what you see and what you feel in clear, perfect English. So take a deep breath, get comfortable, and let's jump right into it. Okay, let's dive into this. Here is our agenda for today. First, we'll look at today's learning goals. Second, we're covering common weather words. And third, we'll be talking about temperature. Section 1, today's learning goals, or basically what you will achieve today. By the end of our time together today, you'll have these goals down pat. You will be able to talk about the weather, understand common weather words, describe exactly how the weather feels, talk about the 4 seasons, and, crucially, ask and answer simple questions about the weather. It's like a giant puzzle coming together. You'll soon be describing both what you see and what you feel. Let's move to Section 2 and see how this builds. Common weather words. Look up at the sky. All right, our very first word is sunny. Now, sunny simply means there is a lot of sunshine. Think of that bright, positive feeling when there are 0 dark clouds and the sun is just shining brightly down on us. That's what we call sunny. And this brilliantly illustrates how we use the word in everyday conversation. You'll hear it used in a few different supernatural ways, like, it is sunny today, or it's a sunny day, and I like sunny weather. These are simple, practical sentences you can use right off the bat. Moving on, we have rainy. Rainy literally means rain is falling. It's a softer word. When water drops are falling out of those clouds in the sky, all the way down to the ground, the weather condition is rainy. Let's take a look at how we build sentences with this one. You might say, it is rainy today, or it's a rainy morning. And notice this really practical bit of advice. Take an umbrella. It is rainy. You're doing absolutely great so far. Our third word is cloudy. Now, cloudy means there are many clouds in the sky. When those big white or gray fluffy shapes cover up the blue sky and hide the sun, well, we describe that as cloudy. Let's hear how this sounds in a few quick examples. It is cloudy today. The sky is cloudy. Or simply, it looks cloudy outside. Just let these sentence structures wash over you so they become completely familiar. Moving right along, our next weather word is windy. Windy means there is a lot of wind. This is for when you step out and actually feel the air moving fast around you, blowing the trees around, and probably messing up your hair. Let's see this one in action. It is very windy today. The weather is windy. And here's how you might use it to talk about your plans. It's too windy to sit outside. Now for a really evocative word, stormy. Stormy means there is a storm, usually with strong wind, rain, thunder, or lightning. So this is a very active, often very loud type of weather. Let's run through these examples. The weather is stormy. It is going to be stormy tonight. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how this specific vocabulary comes with a helpful safety instruction. Stay inside during the storm. Just like grabbing your umbrella on a rainy day, this is great practical advice. All right, our final visual weather word for this section is foggy. Foggy means there is a lot of fog in the air, making it difficult to see. Imagine walking outside and the whole world looks like it's wrapped in a low, thick white cloud. That is what it means to be foggy. So you might hear someone say, it is foggy this morning, or maybe the road is foggy. And here's another gentle warning you might hear based on the weather. Be careful, it is very foggy. Now for Section 3, talking about temperature, where we shift to how you feel the air around you. Let's kick off our temperature guide at the absolute top of the thermometer with the word hot. Hot means the temperature is very high. It's that intense heat you feel on your skin on a bright, sunny summer day. Now, if we just step that temperature down a little bit, we get the word warm. Warm means pleasantly hot, but not too hot. It's a really comfortable, relaxing feeling. Dropping the temperature down another notch, we find the word cool. Cool means slightly cold. It feels crisp and refreshing, kind of like a nice, breezy autumn morning. Moving further down the thermometer, we hit cold. Cold means the temperature is low. So the crucial point here is that cold is the exact opposite of the high heat we started with. When it's cold, you're definitely going to need a jacket, for sure. And finally, at the absolute bottom of our thermometer, we have freezing. Freezing means extremely cold. This is literally the most extreme temperature word on our list today, used for describing the kind of weather where water actually turns to ice. Let's look at all of these temperature words perfectly matched in full sentences, watching as the temperature drops. It is very hot today. The weather is warm today. It is cool this morning. It is very cold outside. And our absolute extreme, it is freezing outside. You know, you've done a spectacular job today working through this vocabulary. So to wrap up our explainer, I've got a quick question for you. Take a second, go look outside your window right now. Is it sunny, rainy, or cloudy today? Is it warm or is it cold? Try using your brand new words right now to describe your world. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in our next explainer.